Hey, hey, everybody. Mini Diamond Girl here. I got this box. It only feels like there's one in here. It's super light. But I'm going to open it. I don't have my scissors. Derp. Okay. I can't reach. All right. Got them. Let's get into this one painting, I think. I don't know what's in here. Yep. This whole big box for one painting. Nothing else in there? Nothing else is in this huge box. I use it for garbage. All right. Well, I saw somebody else have this, and I really like this artist because I already have, you might know it just by me saying, I already have the blue wren. So I was waiting for, well, I was just waiting to finish freaking more diamond arts before I purchase, but we all do that, right? Well, I saw this one and I didn't want it to go away. So, I don't want to get the names wrong, but I saw somebody on YouTube have it, and I commented and I was like, oh my God, I want that pineapple. I'm going to get it. Boom, here it is, right? It's the funky pineapple. It's round. It's small. It's 20 by 37. And it has ABs. And it's by Lisa Francis Judd. And I have something in my eye. And it's out of my eye. All right. Well, here are the camera. Here are the drills. I want to see the ABs. What do we? Let's see. I'll open it up just to look for the AB drills. Oh, they're blue. Blue ABs. Cool. I'm going to close that back up because I'm the same way about my drills. I don't want to mess with them. All right, very small. All right. There's my little kit that it comes with. Some baggies, a boat, a pen, a heart wax. Oh, 2 heart waxes. All right. And then this is, it's so tightly wound. Pineapple. Isn't that cute? Oh, Lordy. So cute it fell. Is that so cute? All right, let's look closely at the map to see. Look at how clear that is. Oh my goodness. That is super clear. Whoa, I am like, it's morning. I just woke up. I'm very like, haven't had my coffee yet, you know. But yes, I would love, love, love this. Love Lisa Francis Judd. She's always working on new stuff. I'm always trying to get her artwork. But yeah. The funky pineapple. Love it. 20 by 37. It has only 16 colors. So it's not that bad. I thought there would be more white because, you know, there's a lot of paintings out there that have like, you know, the white section that is just like white. White. So when I saw that this was on somebody else's YouTube unboxing, I was like, oh, that's not much white at all. I can totally do that, especially if it's small like that too. But I love this. Okay, so funky pineapple with ABs that are right in there. Doesn't say R, but it says ABs. And because everybody wants to know, I'm almost done. This is from last night. I didn't finish it yet. But I got a little bit of her hair left. Got a little bit of the blue. And I'm going to go outside. I'm going to be like, all in the sun. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining me. And hope to see you soon next time. Don't forget that subscribe button. All right. Have a good one, y'all.